Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. One and all my new subscribers, welcome. Let's rope into the kitchen. So today I'll be making some saltfish stew peas. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using. Oh, I left out the red sweet pepper. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I didn't put there. I think so. But yeah, here they are. So now first thing that I'm going to do, I rinse off my saltfish and now I'm adding some cold water to it. And I'm going to let it soak for about half an hour to an hour. Right? And then now I'm going to put my peas to boil, to cook. So I had my peas soaking from overnight. I added some garlic and some pimento, and now I'm just gonna leave it to cook. So cook it until it's soft, not too soft, because remember we have more cooking to do after the peas cook, right? So just get it right there. So here I have my saltfish after an hour or so, and I'm just going to, so don't cook it, right? It's just the saltfish just as is, a little rinse off and had it soaking, because what we're going to do, we're going to cook the saltfish with the peas, right? We need, when you make your regular stew peas, because the pigtail salty and have that nice little flavor there to it, so we are trying to get that flavor from the saltfish. Trust me, it works. It's really, man, it's so good. So just work with me. Only rinse it off, soak it for a little bit, even 10 minutes. Or if you can't soak it, fine. But make sure you don't cook it before now, right? Because you need to cook it with the peas, because the flavor. So yeah, just go ahead and kind of tear it up, kind of make them big. Don't make it too small, because remember it's going to cook, and then for most part it's going to mash out. So see, this is boneless saltfish, and guys, me find 2 bone in there. 2 nice little bones saying, hey, wagwan. so yeah, just still be careful even with the boneless saltfish. So yeah, just break them up into strips, big pieces, and here we have it. So now that my peas is cooked for most part, right, I'm going to go ahead and add the saltfish now. Dash it in, give it a stir. By the way, ensure that your peas, let the water boil down. You don't want too much water in there, because remember that we're not going to use anything at all to thicken the stew peas. We're just going to let the peas and everything do what it do. I guess if you wanna make, then but so here I'm adding a chockload of coconut milk. Now me love coconut milk, so yeah, I love coconut everything. So go ahead and stir it, right? So this is why you don't want to have too much liquid, because you're going to make it boil down and just thicken itself, right? So make sure you stir and get the bottom and the side and cover it down for 10 minutes. Let it cook for 10 minutes. So here we have it, guys, after 10 minutes. So now we're adding sweet peppers, onion, scallion. I chop up the scallion, and of course some thyme, and give it a stir. How beautiful, oh, beautiful. Isn't it looking pretty? It looks so pretty. Look at all them colors. So yeah, and guys, if you could just smell it, this pate, it smells so good. So yeah, it is hitting all the right spots in my nose. Smells so good. Look at it. So stir it, and guys, the peas will want to kind of stick, especially after the coconut milk in there. Just make sure, say, you scrape the side of the pot and scrape the bottom, like give it a nice little stir, a firm stir, and scrape the bottom. So yeah, we are going to allow this to do about another 10, cover it for about 10 more minutes. Oh, I added some pimento, some more pimento seed. 10 minutes and I weed that. So now I'm putting on my peas. Sorry, my rice, right? And just allow that to cook. So here is hubby making the spinners for the stew peas. Hey, come through with the spinners. Come through with the spin, spin, spin. Hey, with the spin, spin. Okay, so yeah. You don't want to make too much though. Well, it depends on the pot. The pot of stew peas where you are make, if you are make for everybody at the family reunion, they know say I want big. You know it go. So here is my pot. It was bubbling because it never in a no trouble. So here I'm going to add my spinners. And guys, you can see that the water that it is reducing, you know, the coconut milk peas mixture, it is reducing. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add the spinners. So you just take a little piece of the flour, some of the flour, and put it in the middle of your hand and just rub your hand together, just like you see me doing right there. And we add them spinners. And if you're looking to cut calories, because honestly guys, sometimes I make my stew peas and I don't put no spinners in there, only because I'm like, I listen, extra calories, I don't want you. But yes, the stew peas, the spinners help make the stew peas. It make it really stew peasy, right? But guys, you realize I didn't add any salt to the pot, and I didn't add any salt to this, right? Because we don't need any salt. I'm telling you, it is perfect. So I said just rinse off the saltfish. So here I'm adding some black pepper. Just rinse off the saltfish. And you can soak, if yours extremely salt, then yeah, soak it for the hour. But go in with a stir. Come through. Look a spinny. My friend Spinny Spinners. Hi. Hi. So yeah, Vibes fam, see the peas still intact, because that's why I was saying just cook it to a point, right? You don't want it to be mashing out. But guess what? Even if it mash out, that is fine. It helps to make it nice and thick to get the stew peas there. But look at it. Look at the stir it. Yes. Stir, 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 and a stir, and a stir. Me pot look pretty, and a pretty, and a pretty, and a whoa, 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 eh. Okay. So yeah, Vibes Sam, just cover that and allow it to, you know. But yeah, Vibes fam, so here we are frying some plantains, because yes, a nice pot of stew peas, a nice plate of stew peas, you absolutely do need some plantains. Well, I love it. So yeah, just flip them over. So when they get golden browny on one side, then you flip them from that side to the next side, right? We are gonna be flippy flippers in this piece, and then just take them out when both sides is goldenly browny and nicey. Yeah, Vibes some and see right here, I was just doing all kind of cut, right? Cute cut and just cut. So you have all different style of fry plants in the pot right here. So yeah, just take them out. And here we are all done, and my rice is all done. Look at it, come through, Shelly Union, Shelly rice. You look good. And of course, my pot. So yeah, Vibes fam, all you needed to do was just ooh, yes, that looks so good. Was just allow it to boil down on medium flame, and I we that. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have it. A nice strong body plate. Look good from head to toe. Round and about. On a draw. Listen. Bam, 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 bam. On a draw on a stool. On a draw on a chair. On a liquor a sack. Anything that you have can sit on, draw it, come right here and set it at the table, because guess what? We are going to be eating. Yes, Vibes fam, this saltfish stew peas right here, so listen, just try it. Just try it. Just try it. When I say nice, I mean nice. NOISE, nice. It's really, really nice and rich and good. And by the way, when you add the coconut milk can take away from the redness of the pea or the overall look, right? But that is fine. Just make sure it tastes good, right? This is steamy, my friend. Yes, Lord, me nearly forget it. Steamy. Look how them look good. The spinners look good. Everything just look good. Saltfish, I see you. You are the star of the show, but you're just taking it easy. Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you.